Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, thank you very much for your comments and suggestions. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that whenever I upload new video, you will receive immediate a notification that I have uploaded a new video. So well friends, today I have received a parcel, so let's unbox this one and check what is inside from Pune. Okay guys, so he's also one of my YouTube custom, so just unbox this one. Good, nothing happened. Very nice packing, my friend. This is Sony IV300. Okay, so let's check what's the issue in this. So guys, we'll put it on and check what is the issue in this. Just keep watching my video guys. Put it on. So hello comes. So put it on again. So guys, this is the problem. It is hang on HDMI1. This is hang on HDMI1. So there is no any movement. When if I change with the remote, so see there is no any function. See from the remote also it's not giving the Bluetooth mode also, so it's stuck up. So this is the problem. So no up and down volume function also not working. So it is stuck on Bluetooth, stuck on HDMI. So this is the problem, my friend. So there is no any movement. So this is stuck on HDMI1. So this is the problem. So we'll open the top cover and we'll check what's the issue in this. Just keep watching my video guys. So guys, the system looks very neat and clean. So it looks very dustless. There is no much dust. It's already clean, this one. So it means that the customer is maintaining good. So the problem, if this is the problem, then the problem will be in the HDMI board. It looks like that there is a problem in the HDMI board. So there is a HDMI board inside of this one. So what we'll do, we'll concentrate on the HDMI board now. So we'll take it out HDMI board and check separately. Okay guys, just keep watching my video. So friends, to remove the main motherboard, so the problem is with the motherboard. So HDMI stucking on HDMI or Bluetooth or any other stuff problem comes, it means the problem is with the motherboard only. So what we'll do, we'll just take it out this one. So be careful while removing. So we have already removed. So take care while removing this ribbon cable. This is very sensitive. The pins are very sensitive, this one. Okay, so we need to be very careful. So keep this aside. So we'll check this one. This is the main motherboard. So now we'll work on this. Okay friends, we'll work on the motherboard. This is the main motherboard. This is the main IC inside of this board, but with this short board, it contains a lot of functions. Within this small board, it has many functions. Okay, IC. This is also you can say secondary IC, system IC. This is regulators. Okay, so normally in my experience, whenever such type of fault is happening, like HDMI stuck on HDMI or Bluetooth something, so the most probable, I'm not sure, but most probably the fault is I have seen this is the main 5-volt regulator, this IC 506, yeah, 503, sorry, 50, this is the IC 503. So this is the 5-volt regulator. This is 5-pin IC. This is the IC number 503, 5-volt regulator. This is mostly this getting shorted. This IC is getting shorted. That's why we are getting only HDMI, stuck on HDMI. So it is not booting. It is not booting. The system is not booting. So I'll just show you. Here the total 5 pins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pin number 4 is, pin number 2 is as usual negative. This is ground. See, and pin number 1 is voltage input. And pin number 4 is output. Actually, I must get here some ohms, some kilo ohms like that, but this is showing shorting. See, so this must not supposed to show shorting. See, okay, so we need to, so what we will do, we'll remove this IC and check. Then we'll remove this IC first, then we'll check the shorting is there or not. So just keep watching my video guys till end. So we'll try to remove this. So guys, I have removed this is the 5-volt regulator IC. So now check is there any shorting. So shorting is removed. See, there is no shorting. So now it is showing some ohms. See, so I must get some kilo ohms over here. Before it was showing 0 ohms. Here before it was showing 0 ohms. See, now before it was showing some 0 ohms, but now it's okay. So it means this IC is, this regulator, 5-volt regulator is faulty. So what we'll do, we'll replace this one with the new one. So first we'll clean this one. We'll replace this one with the new one. This is the old. Okay, so number of this one is 9F09F0GA. so this is the number. So I got the new one with me. Okay guys, we'll here it is. So this is the new one. This is the new one guys. Okay, and this is the old one. Okay, So we'll fix the new one now. So guys, we have fixed that one. See, so we have replaced this 5V regulator. This is the old one. This is the old one and this is the new one. This is the 5V regulator IC. The number of this IC is 9F0GA. So now if we check this one, see, if we check this one from pin number 2 to here, see, before this was showing 0 ohms. Okay guys, but now it is showing okay. Okay, so it's perfect now. So now what we'll do, we'll fix this back. So we will fix this back. So our system IC, our 5V regulator IC is okay. Before our 5V IC was shorted, so we replace this IC with the new one. Okay, so we'll fix this back now. Okay guys, we have fixed it everything. So it's time to check now. So we'll check this one now. So guys, we'll check now the power. So I'll put it on now. Put it on. Hello comes. So we'll put it on. See guys. So it's working. See. Function. So guys, it's working fine. Okay. So it means we have replaced volume also coming up and down. Before it was stuck up on HDMI1, so now it is working fine. So we have replaced the 5V regulator in the motherboard. So guys, so we have rectified the problem. So thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.